So for National Marine Week this year, what we're encouraging you to do is to go to our website and sign up to our Nature Challenge. What you need to do is sign up and download the iNaturalist app, and then using the app, what you can do is go out and explore and find lots of different types of marine life and work out what it is. So here we've got some sand dunes. Now these have taken years to form and they've become quite established with lots of different plants, and that means there'll be lots of different species here to investigate. So all you need to do is open up the app and take a picture.
Yeah.
So we can share that. It goes to the record centre. So this looks like sea holly here. So I'm going to ID it. Let's get the app and take a little picture. Sea holly. Now you can always tell it's sea holly because of its little blue flowers and its sort of pale green spiky leaves. It's a lovely little plant which you'll find in sandy soils by the coast.
Look, there's a kestrel hovering over the salt marsh. It'll be hunting for small mammals. It might go down in a minute. Look.
So one really important thing about this salt marsh here at Red Rocks is it's home to the natterjack toads. Now these are quite a rare species and we have them in this pool here. We fenced it off so nothing can go in, and that keeps them safe and hopefully protects them when they're breeding.
This is one example of the habitat the natterjack toad benefits from. It uses the soft sand during the daytime to bury itself to sleep as it's a nocturnal animal.
So one way of recognising the natterjacks are their distinctive yellow stripe down the back. They've also got quite a loud call as well. But please do view them from a distance so we can leave them in peace and in their little home. So this is just some of the rubbish we picked up from the beach today, and it just sort of shows that we really need to take care of these spaces because they're really important to us, not just for wildlife, but also for us to enjoy as well. One thing in particular is we found is a balloon there, so that's just showing that even stuff you do away from the beach can have an impact on our coasts.